So your vehicle needs new tyres. Where are you going to find that information and what do those numbers mean? That's what we're going to be discussing in today's video. I'm Rick from ifndautoparts, the only marketplace that you should be using to buy and sell your automotive parts. First of all, where are you going to find what size tyre your car needs? The most common place you'll find it is just inside the door jamb on a little plaque or a sticker here. There it is, that number there. And on some cars, seemingly German cars, it's just inside the fuel filler flap on a sticker just there. You can check the owner's manual, but depending on what size wheels your car's got spec'd, the tyres might be a different size. Also, this one just says check the driver's door jamb anyway. The best place, as long as you've got the correct tyres fitted to your vehicle, is actually on the side wall of the tyre. So this tyre is a 205 55 R16. Now what do those numbers mean? So the 205 is the width of the tyre, so this is 205 millimeters wide. The 55 is a percentage of the width as the height of the tyre, so that is how high the tyre is. The R means radial, which pretty much every tyre on any car nowadays is a radial tyre. And then the 16 is a 16-inch rim, which is the actual size of the wheel itself. Now there's normally another couple of letters and numbers here at the end, which there isn't on this side, but it's also the number of the tyre is also down here. So let me turn it around. So you can see on this side, it's still a 205 55 R16, but you've got another code here. Now the 91 is a load rating, and the V is a speed rating. Now these numbers don't actually correlate to anything, it's actually almost like a code. So I'll put a list in the description of what 91 means and what the V means. Basically, the higher the number, the higher the load capacity of your car, and the higher the letter, the higher the speed rating of your tyre. So this 91, which is a load rating, could be a number from 62 to 126, and this V could be a letter from F to a Y, or actually a Y in brackets, which means 186 miles an hour plus. It's also worth noting that the numbers on the tyres might be slightly different in different countries, so just double check that it's correct in your country. It's also worth noting as well that some cars have a different size tyre on the front and the back, so check that the tyre that you're replacing is the correct size. And it's probably worth recommending to keep with the same brand that you've already got on the car. So if your other three tyres are one brand, I probably wouldn't put a different brand on the other corner. There you go. I hope that's taught you enough about tyre sizes for when you go and get some new tyres. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to start using ifndautoparts to buy and sell your car parts. And also don't forget to download the app from the App Store, start using it on your phone. And I'll see you on the next one. Right, I've been here for half an hour now and nobody has offered me a cup of tea. Is that kettle boiled yet?